started screaming.
What's good, y'all? It's the Demouchets React, and we're back with another video. Who we got today, C?
Today we are back with another rally reaction.
Come on, man.
Y'all know how much we love rally. We're super excited about this video, guys. But if you're new to us and we're new to you, make sure you scroll down, hit the red subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell because we're on the road to 50K. And we cannot get there without you guys. We're so close. So join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Oh, you hear it. That is foggy. Ooh, that's real foggy. Do work. Do work.
Ooh, so close.
These are small roads, man. These are like some little back alleys right here.
And people yards.
Man. Woo, woo, look how fast they going.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, we got a good angle.
Ooh,
Yo,
people.
You know what? These were, that was a course? Like, how did he make them do that? You seen that?
Oh, God.
Let's put 2 roadblocks right there for making them go in circles. I thought that was what you was thinking.
I don't say it.
I thought that's what you was, I know what you was thinking. Whoa. That's a person's house. Look at the decorations.
It's like when they just leave the cameras just right there. Like, do y'all really care? Ooh, it's called mud. Full of mud. Child.
Dude, these accidents be so close, they be so calm.
Yes,
it's
I
like,
see some trees.
Bro,
I'm
I'm like, yo, calm down, back up. Like,
I couldn't be a co-pilot.
Neither could I. See, it's not often you see a purple car. I like the purple color. It's nice.
Jesus.
Man, if I was standing back there, I swear I would have had some of the coolest films just from my house. Open the blinds and just record.
We're watching TV outside today, y'all. Oh, he flipped right back.
Come on, get going. And he going, right? That's the same car, right? Man, that boy slamming to that little pot. Look, that's it,
Oh,
the
this
angle.
is replay.
Oh, them ditches no joke. Let's hit it.
Ooh, that look.
Ooh, get on the road.
When they go off road, it's scary.
I can only imagine that heart
The adrenaline.
skip, like when your heart skip a beat.
Yeah.
I can only imagine man, they have a lot of them moments. Oh, that was a good. Oh yeah, I like that. That was sexy.
You missed that fire hydrant.
Bro, like I would have did the same thing. A fire hydrant? Man. Yeah, you think it would be like how it be on cartoons? The little water will start coming up? Y'all hear it.
The car started screaming.
Yeah, do that. Do just that. That's it right there.
Flying.
Ooh.
Footage is always scary.
Oh, it's them going down. Ooh, people. So many people. Are they barbecuing? Oh, no, it's flares. It's flares. See, we would have had the barbecue. Look, we would have had the food, everything. Where the barbecue at? Yeah, you see, and I was just thinking this is why I don't like being on the curves. I can't. Ooh.
I just was talking about somebody's camera.
That better sound some waves.
For real.
We are not responsible for anything that breaks. Look at the cushion. It's not enough.
But they strapped in real good. Enough not to fly out like if it was a regular accident.
Right. Like, you ain't lying when you say that. I can't see a thing. I don't know what he doing, but he doing it. Right. I don't know. There you go. Straight corner. Right. Sharp corner. Right. Deep corner. Ooh. Short corner. Deep corner.
Oh.
See, I could do the co-pilot thing, kind of.
Jeez, that was a big rock.
Blanked. I didn't see what you just saw. I must have
a big rock. I knew something was gonna happen because of how the terrain of the road changed.
Yeah. Are we responsible to do stuff like that? Can we? Oh, yeah. Cut back on time with that one. Oh, that's how I be when I'm tired on the road. You look like you're just having fun. Let's go.
One wrong little turn of the wheel. Oh, them people, they brave.
Yeah, they real brave. It's just standing there not knowing whether the car gonna come to you or keep going forward. Yeah, I'm gonna need the blowhorn, the microphone, the bells. I'm making all type of noise when the cars come through. Let's go, yep, me with the whistle. Ooh, man, flying ain't the word no more, y'all. they zooming. They what?
I say cruising.
They cruising.
I like zooming.
Yes, sir.
That was really, really awesome. Always love rally. I was thinking about something. You know, when you get a traffic violation for speeding, what if they made all of the people who get tickets for speeding, like if it's their third offense,
oh
if they
man,
made them do rallies to expunge it from their report? That would be fun. I'll be.
Man, people get tickets every day.
Yeah.
I'm just saying because like they don't know. Like if you haven't experienced this, you like your first experience would be like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna get another ticket. I gotta come back out here and cut up.
Crazy.
That'd have been me for real. Hey, but they just becoming one with the vehicle, bro. So I know they feel everything. Most likely, probably not because of adrenaline.
And it's adrenaline, and because after a while, I guess the like vibration of the car just gets
numb.
No, yeah, you get numb to it.
And they do most likely they do.
I've always said that the rally people are crazy, but it's the co-pilots.
They're
the co-pilot can't control nothing.
All he can do is scream and cuss. We heard a few of them. Yeah. Trust me.
Yeah.
Yo, this is legit. This is the faves right here.
Yes. Always love rallies. So make sure you drop us some more links down in the comment section below. Like this video. Turn on the post notification bell. Make sure you subscribe to join the family.
Gotta subscribe to be notified. That's the only way you guys gonna know when we upload. And like, be notified by hitting the bell and subscribing. Yes.
And y'all know we always drop videos back to back.
Can we put that on the shirt?
Ooh.
Back to back. Put it around the whole shirt. If you see someone do that, tag us, let them know we did it first. For real.
Make sure you subscribe. It really, really helps us. It really grows the family.
It does.
Share us out to your family and friends. Say, hey, help us reach this goal with our family, you know?
Yes.
So we have enabled our super thanks if you'd like to support the channel that way. If you want to send us some rally meal or any mail.
Be on the lookout. I'm sorry, baby. On the lookout. We do have some more videos coming with some unboxing. We got some people that's sending us some beautiful objects, things, goodies, everything. So be on the lookout for that.
Yes, so check the description box below. We'll see you soon.
Peace.